Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will be sharing with you how I made this healthy, delicious, amazing cucumber and pineapple juice. Please make sure you watch this video to the end. You will love this recipe. So let's get started. And we have come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you find this video helpful. Please, if you haven't followed this page, please follow this page, like, share, and comment to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. Thank you so much. See you on my next video. Bye.